The concept is that alligation is used when the result is given and the ratio has to be found. If you saw the last video on mixtures, there the questions used to be on the lines that if 20% alcohol solution and 50% alcohol solution are mixed in the ratio 2:3, what is the percentage of alcohol in the resulting solution? So in that case, we could use the weighted average directly. In this case, it is a bit different. Reverse the question. The question is that in what ratio should 30% alcohol solution and 80% alcohol solution be mixed to get 50% alcohol solution? So, see, the result is given. The result is 50% alcohol solution. And the two qualities are given, 30% and 80%. The ratio has to be determined. In such cases where the result is given and the ratio has to be determined, alligation ends up saving a lot of time. So let's delve deeper into the concept. The way it works is, first of all, write the two qualities. The two qualities involved are 30% alcohol solution and 80% alcohol solution. So the two qualities here would be 30% and 80%, or simply 30 and 80. In the middle, write the result. The result is 50% alcohol solution, or simply 50. At the bottom would come the two quantities. I will explain how this works. Now take the difference between quality A and result, and similarly between quality B and result, to get the two respective quantities. Now this difference, the difference between quality A and result, will give quantity B, and the difference between quality B and result will give quantity A. And this would be the ratio between two quantities, quantity A and quantity B, in which they were mixed. Let's take this example to make this more clear. Don't worry, in case you have not got it till now, after solving a few questions, you will see that it works very, very well. So 30% and 80% are mixed to form 50% alcohol solution. The two qualities are 30, 80. The result is 50, and now we take the difference. 30 and 50. The difference is 20. Don't worry about the sign. The difference is 20. And 80 and 50. The difference is 30. So that's what matters. 30 and 50, 80 and 50. 30 minus 50, the difference is 20. 80 minus 50, the difference is 30. So the ratio turns out to be 30 to 20. And this ratio represents the quantities of A and B. Okay, this value here represents the quantity for this respective quality. And this value represents the quantity for this respective quality. Intuitively, as well, you can see that 50, the result is closer to 30, and therefore the quantity of 30. This quality must be higher than the quantity of this quality. Okay, so the answer turns out to be, very simply, 30 ratio 20, or 3 ratio 2. You may want to watch the last few minutes in this video once more to understand this concept really well, because this concept is unconventional, generally not covered in most of the GMAT books, and it does end up saving a lot of time on the test. This was the concept, friends. GMAT shots are deliberately kept brief. For an elaborate explanation, please watch the Stage 1 conceptual videos in our program. Thanks for watching.